Guys, you have to understand that as long as you are continuously dating women, their bullshit and games will never stop. They will look for ways to play with your emotions and also try their best to control the relationship. This is why you need to understand female nature and understand their games, so you'll know how to handle them when the need arises. And because we want to make it easier for you and improve your knowledge of female nature, we have decided to note and compile 5 mistakes you should never make if you don't want women to make you wait for sex. The 4th point is a mistake every weak guy out there makes. Take note of it and never repeat it, and see how your dating game will improve from today. 1. Inviting them to a fancy or expensive dinner. Guys, no matter how much you really want a girl, do not lead with your wallet. If you've just met a girl, try to know her first. Do not take her out to a fancy restaurant on the first date. This makes you look like you are trying too hard to impress her or create a good first impression. You will look like a try-hard in her eyes. It makes you look like you are trying to please her. So avoid expensive dates or fancy restaurants for the first time. The reason you should see a girl for the first time is to observe her, to know if you can even like her, and to study her, to see if she can fit into your life. So she should be the one trying to please you. Never try to impress any girl with an expensive date for the first time. Take her to a regular restaurant or any calm environment where you can meet her, spend some time with her in order to know her better. If she insists on somewhere expensive, then she is not into you. It's obvious. She doesn't even care about knowing you. If you must give her nice things, you should have known her for some time, and she has proven to be loyal and cooperative. Nice things should be given to a woman who has earned it, not just any random girl you just met. If you do, it means you are already investing in her, so she will withdraw herself a bit, so you can invest more. This will make her hold back sex from you to see what more you can invest before she gives you sex, or even decide not to give it to you at all. Be wise. 2. Requesting for another date while on a date. Guys, asking a woman when you can see her next when you are on a date shows your interest level. That is you selling yourself out. Never make plans for another date while you are on a date. Do not ask when you'll meet her next. If not, she'll know your interest level and will withdraw herself a bit, so that you'll chase her more when you are on a date with a girl. Do not talk about seeing her next time. This will keep her wondering if you really like her, or question herself when she gets home if she was good enough for you. If you invest too quickly in her, she will pull back. Women only pursue men that they are not sure of. They pursue men who they don't know where they stand in their life. So if you hurriedly try to make plans for another date, she'll know that you are highly interested and will pull away a little bit from you to make you chase her more. 3. Revealing your kind of girl. If you want a girl to be her real self and very comfortable around you, do not tell her what you like in a girl or traits you want a girl to have. Do not reveal your kind of girl. They don't need to know. You just have to watch her closely and study her to know if she is your kind of girl. If you tell her the kind of girl you like, she will leave who she is and will try to fit into the kind of girl you want. This will make you not know the true nature of the girl. So do not communicate things you like in a girl or things you want a girl to do for you. With this, she has no pressure and will reveal her real self for you to see and make personal decisions. If you tell her your kind of girl or standards you want in a girl, she will try hard to fit into what you want. This includes withdrawing sex, so you don't feel she is cheap or does not have standards. So allow a girl to be herself. Do not disclose your standards to her. She doesn't need to know. 4. Taking things too slow or too fast. Many guys have missed great chances with a girl because they take things too slow or too fast. Women want you to make a move on them. They want you to escalate things. They want you to push for sex, but in a calm and masculine manner. Don't be scared of touching her or talking dirty. Women enjoy these things and want you to escalate romance when they are with you. So don't be too slow. Make a move gradually. Do it calmly, and don't be too pushy. If you become too pushy or desperate, then you are moving too fast. So you should always find a balance. Don't be too slow when it comes to escalating romance or sex. Lead her. Women want you to lead them, so you have to lead her while she follows. Make her know you are bold and it means nothing to you, but don't be in a hurry. If you move too slow or too fast, she'll not be sure about you and will have to make you wait for sex while she makes decisions about you. 5. If you are her type. Unfortunately, if a woman notices that you checked all her boxes and you are exactly what she wants, she might make you wait for sex because she wants to keep you. She sees a permanent relationship with you, so she will act the script of a saint to look like she is innocent, to make you feel she is not wild, so you won't take her for granted. They don't want a situation where you'll sleep with them and dump them, so they act like a good girl for you to take them seriously and also value them more. So when next a girl refuses your sexual advances, it might not mean you are not good enough. Look at yourself properly. It might be because you are more than good enough, and she doesn't want to risk losing you after sleeping with her. Note all the 5 points and apply them to your dating life. It will help you in dealing with women. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.